DoodleMaker review. Hey guys, this is Shan from IncaAcademy.com and welcome to my DoodleMaker review. I've got access to DoodleMaker, so I'll give you a DoodleMaker tutorial and a demo as well so that you get to know how you can best use DoodleMaker. And also I do have got you covered with ton of bonuses for this DoodleMaker review. Apart from that, I do have got you covered with a $20 off coupon code as well for the DoodleMaker review. So if all that sounds interesting, then please stick on with me till the end of this DoodleMaker review, in which I'm going to reveal it all. So let's jump inside of my computer and let's take a look at what DoodleMaker is and how it can help you with your business. So as you can see over here, I'm inside my DoodleMaker dashboard, and in here you can actually create doodle videos in 3 different ways. Number one is it's done for you templates that you can readily edit and produce breathtaking, stunning doodle videos. Apart from that, you can write a script as well and it will automatically create a doodle video for you. Or you can even go ahead and upload your voiceover file, and then it can actually transcribe the file and create a doodle video for you as well. Last but not the least, it also has an AI video translation engine via which you can actually upload any of your existing videos and then translate it to some other language, as DoodleMaker supports nearly about 70 plus languages in which you can actually transform your old video into. So now with that being said, I'm just scratching the surface of it. DoodleMaker has immense capabilities. I'll go through each of them while giving a demo, but just before proceeding that far, I wanted to let you know about my insane bonuses that I have put together for this DoodleMaker review. Now if you want to check out my bonuses anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page that should look like this. And in here, if you go through this, you can get all information on DoodleMaker. With that being said, if you scroll further down, you can find my insane bonuses. Now my bonuses include anything and everything. These are all basically video marketing software and related software package that I'm going to provide you with. The first of them is VSL Creator, which contains over 55 done for you templates on VSLs that you can readily edit with the free software, and you can produce breathtaking VSLs as well. I'm also going to give you AI prompt box, because DoodleMaker has a feature from where you can actually input it a script and it creates a doodle video for you. So in here, I'm going to give you ChatGPT prompts with the help of which you can write scripts, and then you can fade it directly inside of DoodleMaker and make doodle videos from it. Third, I'm going to give you AI motivational reels without any kind of logos or watermark, so that you can directly upload it on your Instagram, on your YouTube short, wherever you want to, and you can monetize it in whatever ways you want to monetize it, right? Apart from that, I'm going to give you over 1460 plus doodle character assets so that you can make your videos go mesmerizing. I'm also going to give you an e-com video maker, which helps you to create e-commerce videos. Apart from that, I'm going to give you a video rank engine, bit compass, and there are many other bonuses on my bonus page. If you scroll down over here, you can see there are 100 of softwares with reseller rights that I'm going to give you. I'm also going to give you over 40 plus info courses that you can give away to build your list. I'm giving you a funnel builder, I'm giving you website builder, I'm giving you agency business in a box, I'm giving you ranking engines, I'm giving you copywriters and whatnot. There are plenty of bonuses on my bonus page. If you want to take a look at any of them anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do again is just go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, come over to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium all of my bonuses are. With that being said, now it's time for a DoodleMaker demo, and then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that DoodleMaker has, and I'll be also revealing the coupon code which you can apply to get maximum discount on DoodleMaker review. With that being said, let's jump inside of DoodleMaker for a quick demo. Hey, welcome to this DoodleMaker demo, and as you can see, I'm within the DoodleMaker dashboard. So first of all, I want to give you a nice walkthrough of it. On this left hand side, you can find all the projects that you have done so far under your projects, right? In here, this is the home page and this is what it looks like. In here, if you scroll down, you can find a section called training, from where you can learn more about DoodleMaker if you need to know anything about it, right? Then there is FAQ and there is support as well if you ever need to. With that being said, on the left hand side, there are some upgrades as well. We'll talk about that when we'll talk about the pricing. With that being said, whatever I'm going to show you right now is on the front end itself, right? So don't worry. With that being said, first of all, let me show you the templates that are already done for you and how you can edit those templates to suit your need, right? So first of all, let's go ahead and use a ready-made template and click on this new project from a template. And as you can see, it has 3 kind of templates that you can use. One is whiteboard, then there is a glass board, which should look something like this, and then there are blackboards as well, which would look something like this. So depending on whatever your requirement is, you can just go ahead and choose any of them. For the sake of this demo, I'm using a whiteboard one, right? Now all of these done for you templates comes with human-made voiceovers, right? So in here there is an option to choose a male or a female voiceover. So you can just select that to make sure that you have the relevant things loading up, right? If you want all, you can just go ahead and click on all, it doesn't matter. Now that being said, you can just go ahead and search for it. You can see there are plenty of them. As you go down, it keeps revealing more and more, right? So with that being said, you can also make use of this search over here. Say for example, I want to search something on video marketing, so I can just go ahead and search for it. Say for example, video marketing, and hit on enter. And boom, you can see I'm going to get all these results, right? So what we can do is that we can watch a preview of it, or we can directly choose it. So let's choose it, and let us show you how you can edit these stuffs, right? So in here, as you can see, it has loaded the editor. Now it has a simple look and feel, and it is very simple to edit. Now let me just move my camera to the other side so that you have a better view. So here you can see, you can just take a look at the slide. So this slide has 3 text over here, right? You can see over here. Now if you want to change anything, say for example you want to change whatever is written here, you can just come over to this part which is called edit text, click on that, and in here you can just make changes. Say for example, I'm writing something like do here changes, just for an example, right? And then you just need to tick this on and click on update, and boom, there you can see the changes has happened, right? Now in the same way, if I want to change the color, I can do that as well with one click. So all of that is controllable, right? So if you have any brand color or preferences, you can maintain that, no issues whatsoever. You also have this animation which you can control. There is hand drawing, there is slide from right, slide from left. All of these is doable. Say for example, if I want to slide it from right, I can just select that and let us preview this to give you an idea how it looks. Once we hit on preview, you can see this hand comes up, and this one is writing, right? So in this way, we can actually give it different kind of transitions so that the overall video looks amazing, right? So all of this is doable as I have shown you. Now with that being said, you can actually control which text comes up at which time. This is the timeline that you have, right? Normally this would be locked, but if you want to interchange the positions, that is interchange the timings, you just need to unlock this by clicking once, right? And click on yes, unlock. Once you have done so, say for example, I want the success of their local business to come up first, so I can just drag it on top like this, and this time if I preview, then you will be seeing that the success of local business would be the first one to appear on the scene, right? There you go. So it appears first, then the first one, then the second one. So we have all the control that we want to, right? So that's quite cool. With that being said, in here we can actually control whatever we want to give as a voice over as well. Say for example, here it says that many businesses don't realize how crucial video marketing is to the success of their local business, right? So I can just go ahead and click on edit text, and in here I can edit any and every part of the text, right? Once I've done so, I can just click on save text, and boom, the text would be saved. Now all that I want to do here is apply a voiceover on this slide, right? And the voiceover would be whatever is written on this script over here, right? So if you want to change your script, you can just come over here, you can give it a script writing, and then it would be changed, right? So now once we want to apply the voiceover, we just need to cross over here, and you can find the voice over here, right? You just need to head over to TTS voice, and in here you can select from done for you voices. There are many voices that you can choose from. You just need to select any one of them, and once you have done, you can just click on this.
Many
to
businesses
preview the
don't
voice.
realize how crucial video marketing is to the success of their local business.
So quite cool, right? You can actually control the TTS speed as well. You can upload your own voice as well, or you can upload your voice track as well if you have a voiceover artist, or if you are good at voiceovers, you can do that, or you can even record your own voice as well. You are no way restricted, right? Now the next part, say for example, I want to upload an asset over here, right? So all that we can do is that we can just scroll down over here, and in here, first of all, we can actually change the language. So it has multiple language support. If we go over here, you can see these are all the different languages that are supported. You can take a screenshot of this, right? If you want to know about a particular language, whether supported or not. Now on the second part, you can just head over to library, and in here, if we go ahead, you can find different things, like you can find icons, right? It can be black and white icons, it can be colored icons. There are plenty of icons that you can find, right? You can go ahead and find different assets as well. You can find characters, you can find color characters, everything is available, right? You can even upload your own assets, right? It can be images, it can be anything and everything. It has a special feature called image to sketch. That means whenever you upload something, say for example an image of yourself, the Doodle will sketch that image for you. It does that automatically. So that's a great thing to have, right? It gives an amazing wow factor to your videos. Then it also has got integration with Pixabay and Photobin and Jump Story as well. So you can actually go ahead and upload anything and everything from within this. Then you can actually go ahead and add text to it as well. You can add hands to it, you can add backgrounds to it, you can add soundtracks to it, that is background music, right? You can even add watermark, and in between slides what you can do is that you can go ahead and add transitions. There are different kind of transitions that are available, so depending on your need you can just go ahead and have your transition done, right? You can also add delays to the slides, that's up to you. With that being said, as I have shown you, it's extremely customizable. Everything is controllable. You can play around with the timeline. You can play around with the animation of each of the object. You can add your own objects to it. You can add different kind of transitions to it. You can add background music to it. You can add voiceovers to it using TTS or uploading your own voice or even recording from within the app. So the possibilities are actually endless, right? The best part here is that once you have actually gone ahead and edited all these slides, as you can see, it has many slides over here, so you can just go ahead and actually go ahead and edit any and every of them. Once you have done so, you can just hit on render, and what it does is that it renders the videos for you. You have an option to render it in full HD as well, so you can just click on that and click on create, and boom, it would go ahead and create the video for you. Now as you can see, this video is being rendered, right? Once the rendering is completed, you will get an icon like this that allows you to download, right? So what we can do is that we can download the video and re-upload them wherever we wish to. We can even clone the project or edit the project as well at any later stage, or we can even delete the project if we don't like something about it, right? So let me show you how a completed video looks like.
Searching for Doodle video services. Then
So
look no
here you
further
see-
than this video. I will show you how you can create animated Doodle videos with zero technical expertise. DoodleMaker is the best Doodle video creator software with done-for-you templates that you can edit.
It looks quite sophisticated, right? And this is the thing that I was talking about. These all are my custom images, but yet the DoodleMaker is making a sketch effect on them. Amazing stuff, right? And the voiceover is also quite good. So overall, it's a great software to have, especially if you consider the pricing of the software. It's something that is a great thing to have. Now with that being said, let me show you the other two features that it has. So for that, let's go back to the dashboard, and in here if we click on create project, then we have an option called create from scratch, in where you can just click on this. You can have your slides right over here. You can add your scripts to it, and it would go ahead and create the videos for you automatically. So that's a great thing to have. And you can actually go ahead and select a background music. You can select a language of voiceover. You can select what kind of video you are wanting to do. You can also select the type of icons and the hand styles. Everything is actually customizable. With that being said, it also has another feature in where you can translate videos. So you can just click on that, and in here you can give any URL of any YouTube video. It actually gets that YouTube video and translates that for you. So quite a great one to have. With that being said, those are for another day. I will go into detail of these features on another video because I'm really short in time for this DoodleMaker review, and I really wanted to give you a heads up about this amazing software. And if you go by my recommendation, then this is one of the best Doodle video maker software that you can find on the internet. With that being said, if you are really interested in DoodleMaker and if you really want to pick up DoodleMaker, then why not via me, because I'm going to provide you with the best in class bonuses that you can have for DoodleMaker. Now if you want to check out my bonuses again, then all that you need to do again is go down on the description link of this video, click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here you can click on any of these red buttons to go over to the DoodleMaker sales page, which should look like this. And in here you can go through this page at your own time, and once you like what you are seeing, you can just click on any of these buttons to go down to the offer that you are going to get, right? And in here, as you can see, you are going to get unlimited videos, and you can apply this DM20 off coupon code to get $20 off, which brings the price down to about $49. And at this price, this is an absolute no-brainer to have, right? Along with all my bonuses, it becomes an absolute no-brainer to have. Again, if you do like to pick up this and secure all of my bonuses, all that you want to do is come over here and click on this buy now button via the link in the description below. And then once you make a purchase, you just need to send us an email at nkracademywb@gmail.com, or you can even contact me on this WhatsApp number that you can see on the screen, and we will be more than happy to deliver you all the bonuses. With that being said, let's quickly head over to the pricing that it has. The front end, again, as I told you, is going to be priced at $49. Then there is a white level upgrade, which is only suggested if you have any plans of launching this kind of product in internet marketing space. Otherwise, this is not really useful because this is expensive upgrade to have, and this is only going to be fruitful if you have a launching kind of plan in your mind, right? The next upgrade that they have is the Doodle Maker Deluxe upgrade. This gives you more templates. So this is something that you can consider. You can just go through the sales page. If you want to pick it up, you can. It's at a one-time price of $49, and it's recommended to have because they actually keep on adding templates every month, and that means you are never going to be short on templates, right? So one-time price $49 is a good deal to have. The next one that they have is a Toon Video App Maker, which actually allows you to create cartoon type of videos, but this is not related to Doodle Maker. So if you want to add that additionally, you can, but this doesn't affect in Doodle Maker anyways, right? So it's going to be priced at $39. You can take a look at the sales page that they have. And the last but not the least is the Client Engine app. This helps you to find clients, but you can do that for free of cost on Fiverr and Upwork and any kind of freelancing space. Just go ahead, register yourself. Just register these gigs, and I'm sure you are going to find clients automatically. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this Doodle Maker review, and I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this Doodle Maker review. If you have, please help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Doodle Maker review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families, and don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off, Shan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.